Aging like fine wine, the art of getting better with time. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's both poetic and profound. Aging like fine wine. This expression is a favorite in conversations about maturity and improvement over time. Let's explore its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Stay tuned to uncover the beauty of this phrase. Aging like fine wine refers to the process of improving or becoming more valuable with age. This phrase is often used to compliment someone who seems to grow better, wiser, or more attractive as they get older, just as fine wine improves in flavor, aroma, and complexity over years of aging. It's a metaphor that connects the aging process of wine to the personal growth or physical aging of a person or object in a positive light. The comparison of aging with the process of wine maturing is not new. This phrase taps into the age-old wisdom that time can enhance quality. Wine enthusiasts know that certain types of wine develop richer and more desirable characteristics if stored properly over time. Similarly, the phrase implies that people, too, can become more refined and admirable as they age. You can use aging like fine wine in various contexts. Complimenting someone's appearance, "You're aging like fine wine. You look more fabulous every year." Acknowledging someone's skills or talent, "Your writing has aged like fine wine, becoming more profound and impactful." Celebrating the longevity and quality of objects. "This vintage car is truly aging like fine wine, its value and charm only increasing with time." This expression is versatile, but remember to use it where it truly fits, adding a touch of elegance and appreciation to your conversation. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, aging like fine wine. It's a beautiful reminder that not all things fade with time. Some grow even more exceptional. May this expression inspire you to view aging and improvement through a hopeful and positive lens. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more insights in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, you're all aging like fine wine in your own unique ways.